Every time we talk, you move in close. I don't want you to stop, I don't want you to stop tonight. We got the last 2 glasses on a straw hut bar, trying to remember what number we are. String of white lights making your eyes shine tonight. We're buzzing like that no vacancy sign out front. Your skin is begging to be kissed by a little more than the sun. You take my hand in yours, you lean in, and your lips taste like sangria. Your lips taste like sangria. Wrecking ball dancing down the hallway. You're holding your shoes, wearing my shades. We fall against the door, we fall into a wild, warm kiss. We're buzzing like that no vacancy sign out front. Your skin is begging to be kissed by a little more than the sun. You take my hand in yours, you lean in, and your lips taste like sangria. Your lips taste like sangria. Only thing I wanna do tonight is drink you like a Spanish wine. Let this head of mine keep spinning, spinning around. Buzzing like that no vacancy sign out front. Your skin is begging to be kissed by a little more than the sun. You take my hand in yours, you lean in, and your lips taste like sangria. 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 Spanish wine, let this head of mine keep spinning, spinning around.
This dance is called Sangria Sun. It is a 4-wall, 32 count, beginner level line dance, choreographed by Argyle. Weight is on the left, 7, 8. Step the right foot to the right side, step left next to right. Take the weight on the left. Right shuffle forward. Step the left foot to the left side, step right next to left, take the weight on the right, left shuffle forward. Rock forward on the right, recover left. Make a half turn shuffle right, stepping right, left, right. Now facing 6 o'clock. Make another half turn shuffle right, stepping left, right, left. Weight is on the left foot, now facing 12 o'clock. Rock back on the right, recover left. Step forward on the right foot, make a quarter turn left to face 9 o'clock. Weave to the left, cross right over left, step left to left side, cross right, behind left, step left to left side. cross rock, right over left, recover, left. Step the right foot to the right side, cross left over right, step right to right side, cross left behind right. Still facing 9 o'clock. Make a quarter turn right, stepping forward on the right foot to face 12. Step forward on the left foot. Make a quarter turn, pivot right to face 3 o'clock. Cross left over right. Ready to restart the dance. The counts of the dance. Weights on the left, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, we have a 24 count restart on wall 3, facing 3 o'clock, on wall 6, facing 6 o'clock, and on wall 9, facing 9 o'clock. This is wall 3. Wall 3 starts facing 6 o'clock. Weight is on the left, 7, 8. Side, together, right shuffle. Side, together, left shuffle. Rock, forward, rock, back. Turn shuffle, back, rock. Step, quarter, turn. Cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock. This is 24 counts. Just restart the dance from this position. Thank you for watching.